Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. Guys, nice start to the day here. As you guys can see, we have XOM Mobil pulled up to the left here and OXY to the right. We're just getting that 10-20 cross right now on the charts. And we're in our OXY trade, we're in our XOM Mobil trade, and they are up nicely today. So, going to keep an eye on these today, and we're going to be looking for some trades for our trade challenge. Trade challenge has started, and we're going to be looking for a trade to enter today with that. Alrighty, how's everything going, guys? Good morning. Vincenzo, Bob. E, what do we start the day off with? How much up today?
850, 950, 1,000. It's climbing. It's going crazy.
Yes, sir. Getting a nice pop here, almost up $1,100.
Jobs reports up.
Yeah, guys, we sent out the newsletter. Nice climb on XOM Mobil there. What a pop. Let's see. Good morning, Scott. Can you guys hear us fine? Everything going good? We changed some settings this morning. Please let me know how the settings are. Andrew Richardson said he's getting hosed with Chewy. They made a trade on Chewy yesterday. Yeah, Chewy's not down that much, Andrew. Looks like it might bounce off the 10 there.
REI, reading energy popping here. Romeo going India. Low price stock, REI. Coming up at 9:45, the market statistics PMI for March, 39.1. The consensus.
Let's see here.
There's no.
That's not coming out over here. E, how much are we up?
Ooh, 1,400.
1,400.
Wow.
Getting a nice drive there from OXY, from XOM Mobil.
Expo day, too. Do you have anything expiring today?
We do have a Google 1135, 1140 call spread. Watching that. It's right around 1120 right now. Share with them what we're looking like right now. Guys, here's what we're doing right now. We're up $1,333.50. That's what we're up right now for the day. Just watching the charts here. I'm looking for a nice trade setup for the trade challenge here. I'd like to start that with a nice trade today. It's Friday though. Might not see too much. XOM Mobil, OXY, Occidental Petroleum's looking great. Michael Ballard, how are you doing with those snap trades?
CPI, Charlie Echo India, Canberra Energy shares spiking to the highs, $2.40.
Tim Thomas says Tiva's banging again.
Charlie Echo India.
Remember we were looking at that when it was $5 or something here? What's it at now? That's looking pretty good, Captain Thomas. Tiva's at 8.30 right now. Not bad. Wow, Chewy's dropping quick right now. Look at Chewy dropping down 6.5%. That's a possible day trade right here. Here was the SMA cluster right here.
I don't hear you.
You don't hear me? They hear me.
No, you good. For the last like 2
No,
minutes.
Josh says no audio as well.
Like 2 minutes before. Now you're good though. You're good now. Now you're good.
Yeah, they said audio's fine.
It was cut out for like 2 minutes.
ATHX, the first is seeing some volume coming in and start moving.
I want that to get back on here. I don't know how to put that. You know how it usually comes through the TV? I don't know why it's coming through these speakers. I tried that. That one right. I'm gonna find a nice trade set up here. Let me keep an eye on Google and Amazon today. I'd love to find a day trade. See, WMT. Walmart's having a nice run here too. Take a look at Walmart, guys. WMT. Today, 1 minute. There goes Walmart taking off again. I'm going to be watching that today. I'm definitely going to be taking profits on Walmart today if we get a nice climb. We're up 39% on our Walmart trade we made. When did we make that? Yesterday or the day before?
HTZ,
the
Hertz,
day before.
shares continuing here. Hotel Tango Zulu, Hertz profit 553.
Shevin says USO was a nice cheap trade. He made over 100% overnight on that. Nice job there, buddy. Look at Walmart go, guys. This is looking like a nice breakout coming for Walmart. It just turned green, and there she goes up 0.10%. This might be a good day trade. I'm going to look at this for a possible day trade. Look at her go. I could see this getting up to 120 today.
Ooh, spot.
Look at
high up there.
Yeah, we're getting a nice... Yo, how much are we up right now?
1,700.
We're up $1,700 unrealized today. Getting a nice breakout here, guys. Google's starting to climb here nicely. Let's see what else is having a run.
Pelosi says $350 billion in 2 weeks runway is not enough.
Okay, they're already talking about another stimulus coming up. You hear that?
That's good news.
Oh, we got it on here now.
Did it work?
Yeah.
White House advisor Kudlow says banks are ready to go on coronavirus small business loan program. That on Bloomberg says does not see any roadblocks on small business coronavirus loan program.
Let me shut that door here so they don't get set outside.
Pelosi calls for another direct payment to Americans for coronavirus economic relief.
Oh, Pelosi wants another stimulus check for American citizens. That's what they're talking about right now. Kevin Johnson says J&J's breaking out. Chewy's getting a pop off the lows there. Let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson here. 1020 cross, consolidating a little bit. Might be pulling back down to that 10 before climbing again. Walmart doing the same thing right here. I'm going to be looking at Diamond ETF and the Qs up above. Diamond is still looking good. Diamond's still on the climb. Let's see what else is going on here.
Shares of Apple popping here at 245.39.
Apple getting a pop here as well. Facebook might be ready for a climb. Let's take a look. Definitely could be climbing. Keep an eye on that one today. There goes Facebook. Ronald Brady says check out APRN. That's one of those meal service deliveries, I think. Yep, Blue Apron. Still holding that 10 really well. Look for another breakout there, but I think that one's done for, to be honest with you. Want to watch Walmart climb off that 1020 right now. Facebook's still climbing slowly here. I'm watching the Diamond ETF above. Take a look at the Diamond ETF here. If you see Diamond, we're in consolidation. Might be retracing back down to around 213.75 if we do retrace back down to that 1020. Right now we got a consolidation box we could draw. We got to break through that. Let's see.
March final composite PMI 40.9 versus flash 40.5. Final services PMI 39.8 versus flash 39.1.
Hey Vince, good morning.
Ooh, look at Etsy.
Etsy. Etsy's up about 6.5%. That's not too bad. Don't like the look of that chart though on a daily chart.
Coming up at 10 a.m.
Doesn't look
Eastern
good there.
Time, ISM non-manufacturing PMI 40.
Qs are looking good for next week, to be honest with you.
Consensus.
Take a look at Qs here.
1 p.m.
Q,
for
Q,
pay-per-view,
Q.
US rig count.
Now take a look here. Looks like we're going to be getting a pop here. And there we go. We are getting a pop.
Right above that 10.
Yep, right at that 10 on Qs. Now see, it's been coming down to the 20 though previously, and right here. So that's going to be our retracement area, is that blue 20 SMA on today 1 minute chart. Stuart Fletcher says, anyone checked out Halliburton is just like Oxy, ExxonMobil. They're going to be popping just as much. Halliburton is up 5.5% today. You take a look, it looks exactly like ExxonMobil. Take a look at ExxonMobil here. And we'll go to a daily chart here. So there's ExxonMobil to the left, and to the right is Halliburton. So as you can see, this has a consolidation box on Halliburton right here. You know, if we want to take this out, draw a consolidation box, we could easily do that. And then you see it looks exactly like ExxonMobil,
Look at
doesn't
that
it?
breakout on that box. A break above what?
Break above the 1020 SMA.
And
Just
the
like
consolidation
ExxonMobil.
box?
Yep. Break out above consolidation. That's when we're buying some calls. Break below consolidation. We're buying puts. As you can see, we got the 1020 cross happening today. So our next green candle with our trade plan is a confirmed entry because we have 3 checks. We have a breakout above consolidation. We have the 1020 cross. We have the MACD cross, and then we also have the candle above the 1020 SMA with the confirmation candle after. That's basically 4 checks right there. So you get a candle on Monday, a green candle on Monday. That's a positive entry for a long-term call, maybe 2-3 months out for ExxonMobil, Halliburton, Occidental Petroleum, whatever it is you want to trade. So with our trade plan, that's a perfect entry with a green candle on Monday. Perfect entry.
All systems go.
All systems
Ready
go.
to take off.
Looks it. It does.
You wouldn't fly a plane if one thing wasn't checked off on the list, huh?
That's right.
Okay.
Very good.
Nice.
Very good analogy. Johnson & Johnson put sweeps coming in down here. Option alert on Apple puts for Friday 240. ExxonMobil put sweeps coming in.
Expect Trump administration to approve a 90-day deferral of tariffs.
90-day deferral of tariffs.
Kudlow on Bloomberg TV.
Good morning, Sergey Petrenko. Nice to have you with us. Brian says Amazon earnings is on April 23rd. Do you think we'll get a climb into the 417 Wex Expo on tech? If you're going to play tech, instead of playing Amazon, what I would do is play the Qs. Amazon, I think that's stalling out the past few days here. S&P futures are pulling back here, guys. Market's pulling back a little bit. Let's check out the Diamond ETF. So we got an important event coming up here with the Diamond chart. You can see we're holding that 10 right now. That's what we have to watch for. We start breaking below that, we're going to be looking for more lows around 190 on the Diamond ETF. But right now we got the 1020 cross coming up. It didn't happen just yet on Diamond. On ExxonMobil it did. On Diamond, just not yet. I think by Monday, if we get a green candle, that'll have that 1020 cross and the confirmation there. But right now, critical situation with Diamond. We got to either make or break above or below the 10 or 20 SMA. No problem, Chevin. Hope that trade did well for you there. Hope that boosted your account a bit. Guys, you guys have any questions? Anything you guys want to go over?
Yeah, I have a question. Today's Expo Day.
Yeah.
And obviously we were dealing with options. What are our options? You have options on Expo Day to either exercise it or to close them out.
Make it simple. If you have calls or puts and you're on Expo Day, if you're above your strikes, you got to sell it. You got to do something. Otherwise, they're going to get exercised in your account, and you might not have the funds there, and then they're going to have to force sell them, and that could really devastate your account if they have to go and force sell it, and you don't have the funds available. You could get some margin calls and whatnot. So it's really important when you're on Expo Day, make sure that you have nothing expiring today. Like me, for example, I have a Google trade that's expiring today. That's close to ATM at the money. I have the 1135, 1140 call spread on Google. I have 5 contracts. There's a small trade. I got it really cheap, so I'm watching Google. It's at 1110 right now. If it pops, $30, I have max gains on that, and that'd probably be close to a 200% gain. But it's 5 contracts, watching that. If it's somewhere in between the strikes, you got to close it out. Otherwise, one leg's going to exercise, the other leg's not. And then you could be short if you have level 4 options. If not, they could have that in your account and then have to force sell it. And then you could have a margin call. So it's really important you get out of those trades on Expo Day that you have. And the only way I would hold on to it is if you had like a call spread, it's totally above both strikes. And if you have the money in your account, because they could do whatever they want. Mm-hmm. It's in their contract. Even if they have both above, they could liquidate one leg over the other. So it's really important. If you have anything expiring today or any day, please let me know, and I'd be glad to help you guys out and let you know what you need to do. But yes, anything expiring, you got to get rid of it.
Mr. Nugent to electronically transfer direct payments,
good to know,
not wait and mail them.
Look at the diamond breaking down here. If that continues to break down, I might get some puts for today's expo. Look for a quick couple 100-point drop.
CCL, Charlie Lima, Honorable. Share is moving here now, $8.65, Charlie Lima.
Now, also, on top of that, normal options expiration are the 3rd Friday of every month. That's your normal monthly expo. The weeklies, I want to make sure that they understand, because I don't want them thinking it's okay to jump into weeklies for things. That's why I was kind of avoiding that before. Guys, weekly expo, you can see there's not a lot of open interest, not a lot of volume. You're better off sticking with the monthly expos and sticking with the best of breeds, in my opinion.
Ludlow says individual
Ford Motor Company option alert, $10 strike puts coming in, put sweeps coming in. Bank of America call sweeps coming in on BAC. I have a Bank of America trade for June 19th, the 22 strike call. That's down about 40%.
Ludlow says the White House.
There goes diamond breaking lower. I'm going to jump into some diamond puts. I could jump into SPY, but let's see, diamond 213 strike put. We'll see if we could get a couple of those for a day trade here.
Day trade? Okay.
I'm not executing it just yet. I'm putting in the order, checking it out here. All right. I got the diamond 213 strike put at 205.
$7.64 billion.
I'll watch that. I just got 5 contracts for $1,000.
Expo?
Today's expo. Okay. It's a day trade.
Okay.
Kudlow says the U.S. cannot dictate decisions on oil production to U.S. companies.
It's bouncing off that 50 right here. Let's see if it fails at that 10, heads lower. Speaker Pelosi said she asked Mnuchin to electronically transfer direct payments, not wait and mail them. I think he was already going to direct deposit them. See what Diamond does right here. Medj Live in the trade room says you only have to worry about something expiring today if it is in the money, right? If it is out of the money, then they will expire worthless, right? That's correct. If you just have a call or a put, it's not in the money, it will expire worthless. You don't have to do anything about it. But if you do, or if you're in the green, if you're ATM, ITM in the money on any of those trades, you got to get out of those trades.
Carlos says Trump will stand up to any efforts to collude in energy markets that impacts the U.S. industry.
Yeah, they will expire worthless, Medj Live. But if you have anything that's at the money or in the money, you got to get rid of that before 4 p.m. Andrew Richardson says K.R. Kroger above the SMAs. Really missed the boat on that one. Avilio Rodriguez says, so if the option expired red, just let it expire, or do you have to manually close it out? If it's worthless, you don't have to do anything. If it's above the strike for a call or below the strike for a put, you have to close that out. And if you guys want to give me an example of something you have, I'd be glad to help you and give my suggestion, my idea. United Airlines holding option alert April 17th, 20 strike put sweeps coming in. Sergey Petrenko says he just got into the day trade at $1.77. I see you there. You got in at $1.78. I saw your order come in. Let me try this. Let me see how this looks. I'm trying something on this live video here. Let me know what you guys think of this.
Coming up, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for March, 44 the consensus. $52.5 versus 44. 52.5 on the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for March.
That's going to get a big pop there. There goes Diamond. I like how Diamond held the 50 right here, so I'm watching, keeping a close eye. My Diamond puts down 5%, nothing major, down $50. Guys, what do you think of this text right here if I kept this on for you guys? Do you guys like something like that here?
German Finance Minister Olaf Scholz says plans to use correction on that. German Finance Minister Olaf Scholz has plans to use reserve intended for dealing with refugees and stimulus package.
Let me know if you guys like that setup there. I just found out how we could do that.
Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, popping here. NCLH. Getting some volume.
But not blocking the chart. Okay. All right, so that's what we're going to start doing from now on. Any of the current trades we're in on live video, I'm going to put them in here. Any of the current trades we're making. I'm just going to find out how to make that look a little prettier and whatnot.
Germany Schultz plans post-virus $50 billion stimulus package.
Dow is up about $2 right now. Could be watching that, see what I want to do with my diamond puts. If I put it on the bottom left, John, I think you're going to not be able to see the news feed.
Video.
Tom T
Attorney General says alarmed by Zoom
maybe add
bombing
the time.
incidents. Seeking more information from Zoom Video about his privacy and security measures.
Okay, so I could do something
That's
like
Zoom
this.
Michael. ZM.
So I could make it like this instead, if this is what you're talking about. Look at that candle breaking lower there. Nice. Let me see here if I could center this. I'm a very picky person.
CBE core mining shares pumping here. Charlie Delta Echo. TEVA, Teva shares moving here, $8.52, up 5% for Teva, TEVA.
Let's see what Diamond does here.
I want to see it fail at that 50 now and start to head lower.
Like
Now look at Exxon Mobil right here, though. Look at this. So look at this. You got the SMA starting to converge right here. You know, that looks like we are probably going to head lower. So that's what I'm thinking. The same thing with diamond. I'm watching everything else here head lower right now. Diamond's still trying to pop, though. It's failing. See right here on this candle, though? This is what I was watching for before. Take a look at this. See this candle right here?
Mm-hmm.
When we were starting to break out, and then we broke lower, I noticed that we failed to break above that 214.50 high that we made before. So right now, it's just like in the NTZ, but watching for it to break down, start to head lower. Or if we break above that 214.25, I might exit out of that trade there.
Okay.
Good morning, Kimmy Guitar. Is that Kim Weeks? Look at Diego. He just posted a picture. He likes that setup. Look at this. He said that looks great.
Nice.
He said that gets cut off depending on what type of screen you get. So
Yeah, I like
we could
Diego's
just move that over.
Saw his chart setup yesterday. He's got a nice setup, Diego.
Diamond's starting to climb again there a little bit. Qs are holding that 50 really well. If we break above 214.25, I'm probably going to be exiting out of those diamond puts there. They're down about 19% right now. I see ExxonMobil above here on this chart. Watching diamond here.
CNTY, Century Casinos, hitting a high of 238, up about 10% now. Charlie November Tango Yankee. Company announcing award of sports betting licenses in Colorado. That CNTY now up 11%. Charlie November Tango to Yankee.
And there we go. Continuing to head lower there, liking that candle.
Secretary tells Reuters believes that everyone has an opportunity.
Now, if it bounces off this 50 SMA and starts to climb again,
Says not looking
may
at
get out of that.
cause to stem spread of
But-
coronavirus.
couldn't break above that 214.25 area. Now only down 10% on our puts as they continue to climb as we drop lower. Want to see us get back down to that 212.75. We're only down 6% on the diamond puts right now. You can see how volatile the markets are. This is a 100-point climb and drop from right here. 100-point climb, 100-point drop. Markets remain volatile. Keep an eye. See how we're making higher lows though? I want to see us break below 213.25 to start that next breakdown. If you can see here on Qs, it's holding at that 50 SMA on a today 1 minute. So for me, it's important to see diamond continue to break lower here and make lower lows from the previous low. SMAs are converging there. Let's see what the markets do.
Larry Kudlow on Fox Business. Kudlow says U.S. suffering through a very painful economic contraction.
So Larry Kudlow's on right now, so see how that moves the markets. He's the economic advisor for the White House. Kim, nice to have you with us. Miss having you here. I just don't like how we're seeing higher lows here and holding support on the 50 for the Qs. Diamond, a little bit below the 50, climb, little below the 50, climb, little below the 50. Let's see what it does here.
Kudlow says he does not think economy will get better in weeks immediately ahead, but will eventually get better.
He does not think the economy is going to get better in the weeks ahead.
Ooh, let's see how the markets do.
That's big news coming from Larry Kudlow. He's usually right up the president's butt there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
He's usually doing anything and saying anything he can to help boost the market. So
Yeah.
hearing him say, "Oh, it's not going to be good,"
That is
it's a little
good.
worrisome. And there goes the markets. There we go. We're starting to break lower.
PEIX.
There we go. There's a big candle.
Look at that.
On
Already.
volume, Echo India.
We called
Let's
it what?
keep that
A
going.
minute ago? 30 seconds ago?
Yes, we did.
See the markets move?
Let's see what happens, though. You know, want to see us break below 213.25 on the diamond ETF. There we go. I love when they say shares of several global financial services companies are trading lower, not seeing any news to justify the price action. Well, I could see the news justifying the price action. You know, the economy is going downhill. Why do you think the banks are going down? There we go. There's some BDM, serious BDM coming down there. There we go. We just broke below support at the previous low, 213.25. We're continuing lower right now. Our puts are now in the green. We got a profit on our puts. We were just down over 20% on that. They are now in the green there. Let's see if we could continue. If we could drop below 213, I think we're going to have a much larger, maybe 300-point sell-off today. So let's see what happens here. It's just patience. I'm sitting here just watching the chart. As painful as that is, that's what's got to be done.
Purchased by Canadian Department of National Defense, San Diego Golf Alpha, SIGA.
There's the SMAs converging on the Qs here. Starting to head a little bit lower. Look at that drop on diamond. Look at that. There goes NASDAQ. There goes the Qs dropping. There goes Dow. Wow.
Ooh,
Big
that's
drop.
a
Now
big
up
candle.
5% on our diamond
Big
puts.
candle.
GLRE Insurance Insider says company rejected a bid from Premia. That's Golf Lima Romeo Echo.
That's what I mean about patience and discipline, guys. You know, sometimes that's why it's important. You know how we were talking about 214.25? Look, we were talking about 214.25 before here. You know, and then we got up to it, fail. I said, guys, we got to watch and see if we break above 2. Remember, I had this order ready. If you look back, I had it ready to go. I said, all right, if it goes above 214.25, I'm exiting out of those puts. There we go. We now have a 10% gain on our diamond puts. Another nice drop here coming on diamond and Qs. Markets retracing and pulling back. There's the big, you can see right here, we got breakdown momentum starting. Here's the SMAs, the clusters. Now we have red candle below the previous candle's body. This is breakdown momentum. We're now up 11% on our diamond puts, $105 profit already. And as we continue to watch diamond drop here, let's see what we do. Patience, discipline, guys, is extremely important. What we're looking for now is going to be supported right around 212.25. We get down there, we probably should have around a 30% gain. So keep an eye for that. Right now, let's see if we could drop below 212.60 and continue lower here. Qs are looking like that's going to continue to drop here. Just keep an eye on it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.
They love when you get hyped. They sounded like a horse track.
There it goes. There's another big drop on diamond coming. We're now up $130 on our diamond puts. We're now up 13%. Look at that drop coming on diamond. Wow, what a drop there. Now up $150, up 15% on our diamond puts. Up 16%, 17%. 18%. We're continuing to drop lower. We're now up $200 on those small diamond puts we got for $1,000. We're still in BDM here. Looking good. Look at that drop. There goes another move lower here on diamond Qs. We're now up 23% on our diamond puts. We got a $230 profit on that already as we can still continue to head lower there. Look at that big drop still coming in. 240 by 260. Wow. Another nice drop coming here. Markets are continuing the BDM, guys. Take a look. Look at that drop here. 244 by 260 bid in the ask on the diamond April 3rd, 213 strike put. Continuing lower here, guys. We're in BDM. And we called it. We called it.
Dave, what do you...
No, I'm not in the trade. Not in the trade. Nope. All right, guys, I'm putting in an order to sell at, let's see here.
Carlo says can begin to look at creating additional incentives for economic growth further down the road.
Let's see what we do here.
New diamonds?
Yep, I want to get rid of them. Be out of that trade. We got a 20% gain. Alrighty, guys, just sold 235.
Has registered trademark Civex as COVID-19 vaccine candidate, Sandy November Golf X-ray, SNGX.
And there we go. That's quick. Sold at $235. Nice.
SNGX, shares popping on that report, hitting $1.73. Sandy November Golf X-ray on volume. ZM, now another headline here, New York Attorney General's office sent letter to Zoom Video asking how company is ensuring protection of users' privacy and security. That's Zulu Michael.
Nicely done. And there she goes, heading lower again. So you guys should be filled, locked in a nice profit. How did you guys like that setup and how we put the official trade on there? Day trade, made 9:54 a.m., sold 2.35. Let's see. We could even add some more details. Let's see, the closing price, 10.20. So we were in at 9:54 a.m. and we're out at 10:20. Look at how nice that looks there. We have everything right there.
20 minutes.
26 minutes.
Not bad.
26 minutes. What did we make on that trade?
144 for a little.
145 bucks. That's not bad. I mean, it's not great.
Every 30 minutes.
150 bucks for every 30 minutes. That's 300 bucks an hour.
I'll take it.
Not bad. And that was a small. That's $1,000 trade. Now think
small.
if we had our trade challenge and started that. That's a quick, 20% gain on the portfolio there with a small $1,000 trade.
Yep.
Look at it heading lower though still. Nice job today, guys. Well done on that trade. Really nice. Markets are still heading lower here. Guys, if you like this setup, please like our video on YouTube, subscribe to us, and share us on social media. I'd really appreciate that.
Send them. Share them.
Hello says,
Ooh,
Trump
130.
told Russia and Saudi Arabia to stop colluding and oversupplying market with oil. Says U.S. can make sure.
Thank you, Tom. Appreciate that.
In the oil market.
I gave that idea though, the official trade. I posted this because remember, like, oh, let's try this out. I gave the price at the current time. I didn't get in at $1.78. I got in something else. I forgot. 205, yeah.
Then it took off somewhere.
And then it pulled back, and I said, oh, you know what? Let me see this alert if this will work on here. So
a lot of people got into 178, 175, bigger profits.
Steve said he's still holding Ross Stewart's. Let's see what that's doing. I sold mine, right? Let me just double check, make sure I still don't have. Okay, yeah, I'm out of that. Oh my God! Look at the drop on Ross Stewart's. I keep hitting E here. It's back. Look at the drop on that today. Down 2.5%. It dropped below that box. This is gonna drop to $60 in my opinion. Ross Stewart's is closed. They're not going to be opening again until May, June, something like that. You know, they canceled all their orders. Ross Stewart's is going lower, in my opinion. I don't think this is going to hold up and start that higher. You can see right here. See this blue
Failed
20 SMA on a 3-month daily? Take a look. It got up to that. It failed. We put the consolidation box. Remember I said, guys, if it breaks above this consolidation box, we're going to enter. It's not. It held resistance there. It's dropping lower. First candle now below that 1020. The 10 was getting up to the 20. It's failing. And now the MACD, it's flattening out here. And we're starting to see a downtrend on the MACD. That's probably going to be crossing soon as well. Ross Stores, target $60. BDM, and heading lower.
Did you do a trade idea on that?
We could make a trade idea on that right now. If you want, we could do another one. We could say, hey, here's a trade idea. You could see that, do that, post that on there. Diamond 2 got up to that 10 on a today 1 minute, dropping lower. Ross Stores is a 3-month daily and continuing. Neiman Marcus is filing bankruptcy, C-Man 717. I forget who C-Man is. I think that's Kurt. Neiman Brothers. Or no, Neiman Marcus, right? I was thinking of Lehman Brothers.
Wrong one.
Wrong one. Medj Live says, Ross Stores, I did 2 trades. 1 Dave did, and 3 the 75 put. Worked out well. Thanks, Dave. Good job, Medj. This is what I mean about following the trade plan. You see ExxonMobil. You see Oxy. They're taking off today. You know, they're breaking out. It's getting into the bomb cycle and the bomb phase, the breakout momentum cycle and phase on the petroleum products, the petroleum stocks here. Kurt Cheraney. Let's see. Let's see. What did Wakaku say? Ryan Roach said he got a 22% gain. Steve said he sold at 250. Sergi said he closed as well. Brian sold for a 35% gain. Sergi Petrenko says, I'm still in Ross Stores. He's up 53% on our trade for Ross Stores. Nice done, Sergi. I think my double espresso shot from Starbucks is kicking in. That's why I got a little bit more energy today.
Love it. We love it.
I think I'm a little bit too loud, though, and obnoxious when I'm this hyped up.
They love it.
I don't think they do.
Oh, they do.
I don't think they do.
JP is loving it.
Sounds like I have ADHD or something, you know?
Feels good to be making some money, man.
Matthew says, yeah, it feels nice, you know? It's not bad. All right, so Matthew says, is it worth adding to ExxonMobil right now? Let's take a look at ExxonMobil. I can't get my eyes off of Ross Store, though. I'd really like to come in and put a couple G's on this for the April 17th monthly expo. Even going out to the May Expo for Ross Stores wouldn't be a bad idea. As you can see here, Diamond's heading lower here. Another breakdown is coming on Diamond ETF. Take a look now. Markets are heading lower. Dow's down about 1% now, and we're continuing to drop in the breakdown momentum cycle, the breakdown momentum phase. We just locked in our profits on the Diamond puts. Let's see what else is going on here. Look at what Brian just said in the trade room. Guys, this is how great we are at what we do. Look at this.
Yep.
Look at this, guys. If you're not a member yet, you should be coming and joining us. Brian says, I just paid for next month's membership in 20 minutes. That's crazy, Dave. Go crazy. (717) is an old area code in PA. That's
my area code.
That used to be my area code.
That is my area code.
Then they changed it to the 570.
C-Man, I asked you the other day what that 717 is. We got some PA boys in here, too.
Seaman, Kurt Cheraney, he's a nurse anesthetist down in Miami.
In Miami?
Yeah.
In Delray right now. That's real close to me.
Oh, yeah, Kurt is really close to you. I think he's closer to you than Miami.
It's like 15 minutes.
Yeah, I always say you're from Miami, too, because to me, it's you're right by it.
That's
you know?
way... Let's say Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
It's a little better.
All right, guys, so look at this. Look at what Brian just said here. That's amazing. Brian just said, I just paid for next month's membership in 20 minutes. That's awesome. That's great. Look at Maling 07 out of the diamond puts 32% gain. Guys, I want to know how you did on that trade we made today. Post in the trade room here. I want to see. I want to know. Jasmine says, keep up the good energy. Nothing wrong with that. I'm very critical of myself, guys. You have no idea. I am. I don't like certain things. So if I sound too hyper, please let me know. Let's see. J&J doing great. Vincenzo, we love it. Getting us pumped up here. Boom. Nice. Like hearing that. Shevin says Dave could announce UFC fighters.
Joe Rogan and Dave live.
we could be looking at the charts like this. Here we go, guys. Here, watch.
Dave
Remember
Rogan.
when Tom said, "Dave, you sound like a golf announcer." We're like, all right, let me do my thing. Alrighty, guys, here's Diamond. We got up to that 10. We're failing, and we're heading lower. We just broke below support for the day, and it looks like we're going to be continuing much lower here. Let's zoom out a little bit, and we're going to be looking at the next support area of around 211. So we got about another 60-point drop here coming to get down to that next support area. If we could drop below that, we got nothing but a free fall down to about 208. So watch out. That's about a 370-point drop from where we are. And if we continue in that BDM cycle, getting up to that 10 and failing, there's a good chance we could see 208 today by the end of the day if we continue that breakdown momentum cycle and phase here on today 1 minute chart, along with the 3-month daily. Getting up to that blue 20 SMA, starting to fail. You guys remember this morning what I said. We got to watch here, see if we're going to hold above or below that 10 SMA. Monday is going to be critical. If we get a red candle on Monday, I'm going to be very bearish for next week's Expo and probably do some short-term put trades for next week's Expo. If we hold above that 10, and let's say Monday we get a climb above that 20, I'll be bullish and I'll start buying some calls for a short-term Expo. So keep an eye, guys. I might be making another trade on Ross Stores here. I love this chart setup here. There's nothing good about retail. I mean, let's face it. Retail stores are just about closed. No one's going shopping, and no one has any money. You know, so why are they going to be going to Ross Stores? They canceled their orders. I don't see that popping or climbing here. So I'm going to be looking at some puts on that.
We saw Ulta yesterday. It was
We went to Office Depot yesterday. I took Aoife in there with me. I wanted to get some office supplies, and we saw a couple Ulta stores. I'm like, look at how dead they are. And it says ULTA on it, and all I keep envisioning is the Ulta puts.
Yeah, exactly.
Ulta puts.
As soon as I saw it, we saw those puts.
We should go over to one of those stores after the word Ulta. Let's put up 3 letters there. Put.
Yeah.
Ulta put at 350 for June 19th Expo.
I know.
That'd be funny.
Walmart's open. We're gonna be like, yes, we love you, Walmart. And I'm filling my gas at
Speaking
Exxon.
of which, let's see. Exxon and Chevron are the best places to go for gas, in my opinion. Walmart here, still holding within the previous day's candle, looking okay. Let's see the Diamond ETF here. Looks like we're still heading lower there, continuing that breakdown momentum, not even getting up to that 10, not breaking above the previous body's candle. We're still in BDM, still dropping lower here. Look at that MACD, still heading lower here, and if you could see, look at that SMA convergence. Here's where you have the convergence of the SMAs like we talked about in our trade plan. Before that, you're in the NTZ. You're trading between the NTZ. The candles are between the SMAs, 10, 20, 50 SMA. We have that SMA convergence, first candle below the SMAs right there, and we're in BDM. And then we have the candle below the previous candle's body, and that signifies a true breakdown momentum cycle and a breakdown momentum phase. So we have breakdown momentum. We retraced a little bit, didn't even get up to that 10, dropped lower, broke below that support from the previous run, our previous drop, I should say, got back up to that 10, failed, heading lower, and then we broke through support going back to the 1022 candle on it today 1 minute chart and continuing to drop lower there. So keep an eye on that, guys. We're still dropping lower here on the Diamond ETF. Dow's down now almost about, let's see, 270 points. Nasdaq's down about 61, and the S&P 500 is down about 21.81 right now. So keep an eye on that, guys, and see what's going on. I think we're going to continue to drop lower here. Pilots raised concern with FAA about protection from coronavirus. I think they're going to be stopping domestic flights here soon as well, probably next week. Okay, so to close out the Google trade, you don't have to do anything because it's below. But if you have level 3 or level 4 options, you got to get rid of that. Otherwise, it could execute one of those legs on you. So you're going to be buying to close the 1140 strike call and selling to close the 1135 call if you're in that 1135, 1140 Google April 3rd vertical call spread. So keep an eye on that. Ross Stores, I'm going to be looking for a trade on that as well here. So keep an eye. We only have 31 likes on this video. I don't think they like the setup today.
I don't think so. They're not too hyped.
Guys, I'm giving you my energy today. So if you like this video, please give me your energy by smashing that like button for us, sharing us on social media, and let's enjoy the day and look for some more day trades. I want to see those likes, guys. Please take a second. It's just one click. Give me that like. Share us on social media. Would appreciate that. All right, I'm out of the day trade now. I have to quickly use the restroom here. You want to take over the mic for a sec?
Let's do it.
Here, I'm going to give the microphone to Ephraim here. He's going to talk to you guys for a little bit. I'm going to be back in 1 minute. Talk to them.
I promise I won't have as much energy, but I'll do my best. That diamond's failing that 10 SMA. If anybody's still in there, nice big drop right here. Nothing wrong with taking profits. Nothing wrong with taking profits. And that was a day trade, so not looking long term. You know, that expo was for today, so don't be greedy. Can we please hit that like button? Let's try to get over 100 today. We'll be very happy. Diamond at support 211.44 and failing. Look at that. Look at that drop. Diamond is failing bad. Wow, what a big candle on diamond. SPY failing. Wow, huge drop. Huge drop on diamond. If anybody has any charts they want me to look over, let me know. Take a look at it. Oxy's breaking down now. Disney's breaking down as well too. Disney has some news. Disney's furloughing workers in all its U.S. divisions as it deals with the impact of coronavirus.
That was this morning. I saw that.
And it's breaking down.
Look at Ross Stores continuing to drop here. I got to get something on Ross Stores. You know.
For those in Chewy, we
Senior
see
Treasury
no
official
trade
says
zone
as
right
of
now.
10 a.m.,
Consolidation.
another potentially forgivable small business loans have been written by 225 community banks to the tune of $560
Expedia.
million.
What does Katana mean by coming to the stage, Diamond?
Lawrence.
Expedia failing that 10 SMA.
Fed's Daily says numbers
Oh, look at
are
Expedia
dropping
drop.
and reflect
46.84. We're gonna have max gains on that Expedia put
Oh, yeah.
spread. No doubt about it. No doubt. No doubt.
Down 2%.
Let me see. Where's my? Yeah, Kurt, we're definitely going lower here. Ulta's not dropping as quickly. That will drop next week. There's no question about that. Look at Ulta. It dropped below that resistance we put, which was then acting as support. Drop below that. I mean, that looks like nothing but bearish chart to me. 125.
Daily
I
on
think
CNN
next week.
says that jobless numbers don't stay big if we fight pandemic and get through this faster.
Start posting in the chat there. Tell them to join us. Message us on the Facebook.
And guys, we got a 25% off discount right now. Stimulus code, promo code for those listening on YouTube. Reach us out on our Facebook page, Breaking Chart Alerts at facebook.com.
Greg says, I love when Dave is oblivious to the previous conversation. I had to be totally honest with you guys because I'm an honest person. I really don't look at the chat much unless I'm, because when I'm focused on trading, it's like, I'm not really focused on a chat room or messages. But when I do look over, I never scroll up to see what was said above. I just look at what you guys are currently saying. So sorry about that. Let me see. I could scroll up and see what's going on.
No, coming to the stage, Diamond. It's like a stripper name.
Oh.
So now coming to the
Hello,
stage,
says
Diamond.
expected to come a couple of
That's
days.
funny. I still don't get it.
The dancer, the names. They have
yeah,
have
but
stage
why are we talking about dancer?
Because it's,
Oh,
Diamond is up
Diamond
on Front
ETF.
Street.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Stefan says up $200 on Ross Store since you mentioned it. Thanks a million, Dave.
High on volume,
No problem.
41.
Eric
Cents on
Agru.
the
I don't know how to say that name. Aguirre.
Aguirre.
Aguirre. All right, CRM. See what's going on with CRM. That's BDM. That's breaking down Salesforce. I actually wanted to call Salesforce, see what they could do for my business, but alrighty. Smooth Operation says ZM. Let's take a look at ZM. That's why I usually go off at 11 there, so I could focus in on you guys in the trade room from 11 to 2 while we're doing our thing there. The Katana. Guys, I want all of you guys to please go to our Facebook business page, Breaking Chart Alerts. Message us on there. I'd love to have a conversation with you guys, and we could also do a trader assessment with you guys between
Free.
11 and 2. Totally free. If you guys message us, we'll tell you how we think we could better help you become a better trader. It's a free trader assessment. Guys, message us on Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook business page right now, and we'll schedule you today
We'll
for a
call
trader assessment.
We will call him today.
Let's see here. Hold on. Go ahead. You're going to talk to them? So you're going to say something?
Yeah, how about a t-shirt giveaway for anybody that shares their profits on diamonds today? What do you think?
Guys, if you guys go on our Facebook business page, Breaking Chart Alerts,
pick one
share.
random.
If you guys share the trade that you made with us today and your results, share a picture of it and say, hey, thank you, Dave, or whatever you did, whatever you want to say. We'll do a free t-shirt or polo giveaway today.
Yeah.
We'll randomly pick one. I'll have Efren randomly pick one. All right, so go here. You guys could go right here to our Breaking Chart Alerts. This is our Facebook business page. You guys shoot us a message here. Shoot us a message, and then also write a post on here. Or better yet, go to Day Trading Stock and Options Room, the Santarelli Exchange, and you guys can post it there as well. But post it here. Say, hey, here's what we did today. Here's the trade we made, and let's share that. We'd appreciate that, guys. And we could do a nice giveaway. Maybe we could do a daily giveaway for people to share.
We got some
Get
polls.
some interaction going on, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's not a bad idea. We're up to 60 likes now, just about. Let's see. Gamer247 says, how much capital you need to start trading with? We just started a trade challenge, guys. I'm actually looking for a good trade setup here to make our first trade for our trade challenge. And if you guys aren't with us yet, join us. Come join us, www.breakingchartalerts.com, and sign up. And you guys, if you sign up as a pro trader, you're going to get text alerts. You're going to get everything for the trade challenge. I'm not going to be posting anything about the trade challenge on the live video here. That's only going for members. So if you're not a member, I'm not going to be posting the trade challenge trades on here for you. That's going to be secretive for members only. Kudlow says, coronavirus relief checks expected to be coming in a couple more weeks. Spy, senior treasury official, says as of 10 a.m., 1,500 potentially forgivable small business loans have been written by 225 community banks in the tune of $560 million. Wow, that's big news. I like news like that. Love it. There goes the breakout of diamond. Guys, we're getting a few messages now about our trading assessment. So if you guys want to message us, we'll give you a free trader assessment today. Just message us right here on breakingchartalerts.com, or I'm sorry, Breaking Chart Alerts on the Facebook business page. And we will get with you today and do a free trader assessment and let you know what we could do to help you guys. So if you want to do that, go do that. If you guys want to join us in the live trade room, I mean, we're having a great day here. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and let's get signed up with us. Guys, if you want our merchandise line right here, merchandise. And here's the shirts that we have. We also have the black one. I don't know why he didn't add the black one. I shared that in the Team BCA Facebook group chat. Message him about that. Looking good there. Looking great. And guys, if you guys need any help with signing up, live support's right here. You guys could click that and you'll talk to one of our representatives. But the best way if you want to chat with me or Ephraim here is on this page, the Facebook business page, and we could get you guys set up here. So go on this page, message us, and we will get back to you. And guys, come join us. The trade challenge is starting. Here comes the crossover on the diamond. See if that could break. MACD already crossed. First candle above the 1020 SMA. Here is the BDM cycle. BDM cycle is now over unless we come up to the 50 and start failing again, which we would have a new BDM breakdown momentum phase within the cycle. There she goes, breaking lower once again. Ross Stores is still breaking lower. Look at that breakdown on Ross Stores here. Ooh. You know.
Crude is popping here now, 27.20.
Crude is popping here. Let's see. ExxonMobil starting to climb here. From the lows, 1020 cross starting to climb. Looking good there.
Karen's asking for women's sizes.
Not woman's size, woman's style.
Women's size style.
What would a woman's style be?
Maybe like V-neck.
A V-neck?
Yeah. V-neck, smaller women's size.
Gamer247 says, how much should you fund your account if we sign up? I think $2,500 is a good starting amount. You know, I mean, you could start with less, but if you don't know the trade plan yet, make sure you go with the Pro Trader package. If you guys sign up for the yearly Pro Trader membership, use promo code STIMULUS. That's going to save you 25% off every single year. 25% off. Instead of being $2,000, it's going to be $1,500 for the year. You'll get text alerts. You'll get everything. You'll get access to our trading app. You could go to your app store and search Breaking Chart Alerts. Not going to work unless you're a member, so you got to be a member first. But then the app is free once you're a Pro Trader member or a Trader member. But you will get text alerts if you're a Pro Trader, and you're going to get a lot of classes and things like that as well. So make sure you come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Sign up for that Pro Trader yearly. Use promo code STIMULUS, capital letters. Nice breakout on ExxonMobil there, still climbing. Diamond's still on the climb there. We could have done another quick day trade here on something like this. The 1020 cross, get some calls. You know, here's the BDM cycle now. It looks like we're going to start to climb for a little bit here. So you could get some diamond calls if you wanted. I mean, we're almost at the end of the live video here. I'm going to end the live video now, and then I'm going to look for a good swing trade for a trade challenge. I really want to get our first trade in for that trade challenge today if we find a good setup. If not, probably get something Monday, Tuesday. Want to start growing that account. Want to start looking at a 100% gain within the next 2 weeks on the trade challenge account. That's my objective there.
Would you do any diamond?
Look at what Vincenzo Fiacco just said. Pro Trader pays itself off within a week.
1 week.
One week.
The yearly or the? I think
he's a yearly member, so
the yearly package for 1 week. Good stuff, Vincenzo.
Karen Decker says, "If Efrain, I sent you a messenger a picture of woman style tee.
Let me check.
He'll check it out. If you guys are interested in t-shirts or polos, shoot us a message on Facebook page as well. Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook business page. Make sure you guys get signed up though. BreakingChartAlerts.com Pro Trader yearly membership. Stefan says, I have been trying to buy DDS put, but I have yet to be filled since yesterday. Dave, what happened? What happened to have a clue? Okay, let's take a look. First, DDS. Let's see. Dillard's. Ooh, that's going to be heading lower too. Neiman Marcus is going bankrupt. Let's see, DDS. What expo did you have, Stefan? Yeah, all real retail stores are going to collapse. That's why that Ross store, I really think that's going to be down to 40 freaking bucks soon. It's at 76 bucks now. That's one retail stock that I still think has a lot of way to move lower here. 40, 50 bucks. I mean, that's almost a drop of 50%. You get something like the June Expo on Ross Stores, that's nothing but a home run. Now, if you look at DDS here, DDS, you're going to have to go with a monthly first off. There's nothing for the monthly there. May 15th, nothing. There's really no open interest, no volume. Stefan, you're better off just shorting the stock, in my opinion. Unless if you wanted to pick up the, let's see. There's nothing really there. Look at how much that stock dropped from 70 down to 22.
Oof.
Dillard's.
Oh, that one's going down too.
I think Ross Stores is the better trade right here. I really think that's great for some puts. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to enter some. I'll do that in the trade room. That way we could get... If you guys want to come join us, go to the trade room, and we're to be making a trade on Ross Stores right now.
275, that's Charlie Echo India.
Oh, the 75 strike call is only going... Wow. That's dirt cheap. I'm going to pick that up. $75 strike put Ross Stores. Let's see if we can get 6.00. I'll pick up 2 contracts for now. Do 3. Let's see if I could get in.
What expo?
For the May 15th.
Trade idea?
Official trade.
Official trade.
All right, there we go. I'm in at 620.
620. Target?
Target on this trade is going to be 70 to 60.
Stop.
Let's say 60 is going to be our target.
Okay.
60 is going to be our target. Our stop is going to be...
January 60 fall activity now.
Let's say our stop's going to be a candle above 87.
Currently at 42.95.
Because this is one that's like 2 months out. Month and a half out. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm going to share with you a picture here.
VXRT, Vaxart seeing a spike in volume. Victor X-ray Romeo Tango, VXRT.
I'm going to make you a picture here for that.
Send it.
Yes, perfect.
SRNE, Spirento Therapeutics, moving to the highs, $2.20. Sandy Romeo November Echo.
When you say target $60, should be target $60/share, so they're not confused that the contract's not at 60. And then candle above 87/share. give you this.
Letter by U.S. bipartisan foreign policy experts call for cooperation with China on COVID-19. Governor Cuomo providing daily briefing now on the coronavirus.
Okay, I just shared that chart with you there. Save PDF.
Ah, you did it?
Huh?
You saved it?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I was going to say, nice.
I could do that now if you want me to.
Nah, we're good.
You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the draft ready and it's about to go.
Perfect. Well done. Nice job today. Great job today, actually, guys. Very happy and pleased how everything's going today. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to get off of here. If you guys want to come join us, please come. BreakingChartAlerts.com and get signed up. Join now and join for the Pro Trader Yearly Membership and sign up with promo code STIMULUS, all capital letters. That'll give you 25% off. And come join us, guys. Trade challenge has started. We're looking for that good first trade to bang off our trade challenge here with a nice pop. And that could be coming out any minute. So be ready, guys. Get signed up. BreakingChartAlerts.com, Pro Trader Yearly Membership. If you want to get the text alerts and everything and follow along with us. And if you want to come get your free trader assessment on how we could help you become a better trader, come here, go to Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook business page and send us a message. And guys, please leave us a review. We're going to also do a free t-shirt giveaway if you guys post in social media groups about your experience and the trades we're making at Breaking Chart Alerts. We'll do a free t-shirt giveaway. Alrighty, guys, take care, have a great day, and nice job today, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.